Well, hello everyone, it's Rose and I'm back with another unbagging. This one is another diamond painting that I picked up off the shelf at the Pink Razzberry when I was there on July 10th. And this is a Josephine Wall painting called Spirit of Flight. So I like Josephine Wall's art. And so when I saw this, and I saw it in the size that they were offering it, and this cost me $25 Canadian. So it was a really, really, really good deal. So let's get into it and take a look at it. And I realized yesterday that the scale that I bought to weigh diamonds actually counts pieces as well. So I'm going to double check the accuracy of their count by weighing it for weight as well as pieces. So let's first, so here we have the drills, and they bag their own drills. They buy them in bulk and then they portion them out using a scale very similar to my little one here. Okay. Oh, and then there's more drills. Here we go. And then here's our kit. So they do a very, very nice kit. They give you a little boat with a funnel. They give you the pink wax. They also give you a little bit of pink wax in a special container. You could use that for drills or anything else afterwards. And they give you a single placer plus, I believe this is a 10 placer. All the other ones that I got were 10 placers. So that's a nice kit. All right. So this is Spirit of Flight. Can you see all of that? Let's see. I think you can see most of that. Yeah. I think it's going to look really nice. I mean, it looks beautiful through the camera. It looks good just with my eyes, and usually diamond paintings look much better through the camera. So yeah, I think it's going to be lovely. The colors are very nice, bright colors. So it's got everything that I personally like. Now, because it didn't get squashed during transportation, since transportation essentially was in the back of my car to get home, I'm not going to bother. Well, what the heck, I will just flatten the plate a little tiny bit. Doesn't really need it, but why not, right? Here's my, okay. So as I was mentioning with another diamond painting that I unboxed yesterday, these ones that have the plastic covers are the end of the stock that the Pink Razzberry has from their former supplier in China. At least, well, she never said China, she said international. I'm assuming it's China. Now they print their own canvases, and their canvases are a nicer quality than this. They're very, very thick, actually. Super, super thick. And they feel like canvas on the bottom, not like plastic. So, yeah, but this is very nice. Okay, and for $25, which is what I paid for this, maybe 30, I can't remember. You can't go wrong. Just a sec. Now that I'm flattening it, I want to really make it flat. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there's little tiny creases left in the plastic, but that's just the plastic. That's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so let's put this back. I'm going to show you the legend and the drill field. So for that, I will lift the painting and slowly, slowly take you along. So we've got numbers and letters. And one symbol, a pound sign, and 35 colors, which is very nice. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you the drill field. So let's take a look. That's really clear. So this is the same as I found with the other canvases that I bought there. The symbols are very, very clear. The printing, there's no smudging. Yeah, it's good. Let's zoom in on her face because faces are always important. There we go. Sorry, I'm getting all twisted up here trying to show you the face without knocking over my camera. So let's go in nice and close on that. And I don't actually have, okay, I'm trying to hold the canvas flat. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, all right, so there we go. That's the canvas, the drill area, all of that stuff. Now it's supposed to be 50 by 60. The other ones that I bought were true to size. So let's check. It is over 59 and a half, just short of 60, which is fine. And exactly, well, 50, and just like a titch over 50. So yeah, it's true to size. So that's great. So I think my camera went off when I was doing 919. So that's 919, and I did tick it off. 931. 966. Oh, that's pretty. 995. Okay, this diamond painting has so many beautiful colors. 3721. 3743. 3752. 3765. 3766. 3808. 3328. 3829. 3835. 3853. 3865. Those are super sparkly. And 3866. Okay, so just running down, just running down the list here. Everything is ticked, and I didn't even wreck the canvas because it's on the plastic. Okay, so that's good. Excellent. So that is the. So that's it. That is all of the drills are here. I've got a nice kit, and I have a lovely 50 by 60 diamond painting called Spirit of Flight by artist Josephine Wall from the Pink Razzberry store in Strathroy, Ontario. So they do diamond paintings. Now they do them on their own printer. And so if you want this, you can order it and you'll get it on their canvas. And yeah, so there you go. The drills look beautiful. I still can't tell the difference between these two. Well, maybe I can. I don't know. They're so similar. They're so similar. I don't know. Are they the same? I don't know. I cannot tell the difference. But that's not the first time that I've ever had a kit that had two colors that were so similar that I couldn't tell the difference. So it's all good to me. All right, I'm very happy with this. I would buy this from them. I do have one of their canvases that they've printed on their own printer, and I got it in a considerably larger size than this. And it's the printing is beautiful. The symbol set is a little bit different, not much different, but it is beautiful. And the canvas is very, very thick. So if you're ordering from them now, one thing to be aware of is that their own canvases that they print are so thick that sometimes it's hard to actually, like the light pad has to be set on its brightest setting to be able to see through the canvas. It's that thick. But so far I've been working with it and I have no issues whatsoever. I've done about 2 feet, no, I've done 69 centimeters, which is about 2.5 feet, about, by the 3 inches. So I've done a good portion of it. And I've had absolutely no problems. I think I've gotten rid of like 3 drills that had some little tiny thing wrong with them. So yeah, their drills are really good quality, at least the round ones. You know, the test for me is always square drills, and I haven't ordered anything. Well, I've ordered something from them in a square, but I won't be picking it up until at least the end of this month. Anyway, yeah, I'm very happy with this diamond painting. I was lucky to get it. So thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell so that you never miss one of my videos. And you know I love to get your comments. So please leave me a comment down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.